All right, on today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our smart contracts project. Let's have a look at what we went over today. I told you that today we're going to be finishing up the second half of that visibility module. So this is it here. We're going to be running those actual functions inside of our IDE or the Remix IDE. So this right here, this is how we can return a value from a function in Vyper. So you can see here, this is we have our my favorite number still set to public. This is the unsigned int 256 we're going to be using. This is the external function, the store, and this is another external function. It's going to be a retrieve. Let me take this view off really fast, this decorator, so I can show you what it looks like without the decorator first. So we're going to run it like this, and I'm going to show you what it looks like with the decorator. So we're going to compile it. Hopefully everything goes right along. What's going on? What's taking so long? Okay, there's the palette. And we're going to deploy it so I can show you what it looks like without the decorator. I'm going to go down and open the folder up. As you can see, we have a retrieve, store, and my favorite. Now this retrieve here is orange. I don't know if I explained the colors to you, but the orange buttons are all representing transactions. So if I was to click on this, even though I can't right now because we're in a dummy environment, but if I did click on it in a live environment, it would actually cost us gas to run this button because it is orange. The same way it costs us gas to run the store button because it is orange. The blue buttons only signify viewing, so they don't cause us any gas. So we can click those without any kind of penalty or any kind of charge. So what we want to do is we want to change this retrieve button to a blue button so we can view it without it getting any kind of charge to it. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back and add this view decorator to it. We're going to delete this one. Then we're going to go back and recompile it. Then we're going to redeploy it. We're going to see if any differences take place after we do that. So let's go back to the deploy. Going to deploy it. Open our folder back up. And it should be blue now. As you can see, the retrieve button is now blue. And if we click on the my favorite, it's still 0. As we said, the unsigned integer is defaulted 0, so it should be 0 when we retrieve the number, which it is 0. So you can see it's the same correct number. So let's get in our store number, see what happens. We're going to store 7 again. Let's store it. My favorite's updated to 7, as you can see. Let's see if we can retrieve the 7. As you can see, the retrieve 7 is actually working. So everything is working good. That's how we can view a function inside of Vyper without having to spend any gas. We can use this view decorator here. It'll tell a function that we want to just view it and not treat it as a transaction, so we don't have to spend any money actually running it. And that was pretty much the end of the visibility module. There's a few more things that we will know, but we're not going to dive deep into that. We're just going to move forward because we are backed up. But of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. For now, it's the Python Papi. You guys stay Gucci.